Hi mga ka-certified maestro! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to make our Epson L3110 RESETTER works. So we will go to my YT channel, Teacher Burnz, and then we can find there the video, printers, inkpad at the end of its service life. We can find here the link for the Epson RESETTER, and we will be directed to the media file, and then we will click the download. As you can see, I have here the Ant Download Manager, and I suggest that you will have this downloader to download your file faster. So you just click the download and then click the folder, and you will be directed to the file that you just download. Then I will show you first the incorrect way of extracting the file. So as you can see, I have here the Epson zip file. Right click and then extract the Epson 3110. So we will just wait the file to be extracted, and then I will just have to scroll down and find the extracted file. So as you can see, the zip file and the extracted file have the same file name, Epson 3110. Click that one and then you will find another folder. Click the 3110 and then you can find another folder. You have to click again. As what I have said earlier, so this is the incorrect way of extracting the Epson RESETTER. So as you can see here, the application is not working since the Windows security is blocking the application. And now, here is the correct way of extracting the file. On the taskbar, you will find here the Windows security, and then all you have to do is click this one, and you have to turn off the real-time protection, the cloud-delivered protection, and the automatic sample submission. You have to turn off that one also, and the tamper protection. So after that one, we will go back to the Epson 3110 extracted file, and then we will have to delete that one. And then we will extract again the zip file. Click the Epson 3110 and then click again the Epson 3110 folder, and then click another folder. You can see the application now is active, and then all you have to do is click the application and then click OK. As you can see, there is an error message containing the machine ID, but you don't have to worry because we will fix that one. All we have to do is click OK to copy, and then we will go back to the keygen here, as you can see, and then click again. So you will find here the application, click it, and then you will find here the Epson L3110, and then click the license manager, and then we will create a license. So the first thing we must do is we will click this one, add license, and then we will have to input a customer name. So any name will do. So if you want to put letter A or any name, B or C, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will just input my YouTube channel, Teacher Burnz, and then same with the company name. Any name will do, but for the sake of this tutorial again, I will just input my YouTube channel, so Teacher Burnz. And then after that, we'll have to paste the machine ID. So right click and then paste. As you can remember, we've got this machine ID from the error message earlier. And then we'll have to click save. And then after that, we'll have to create a license key. You have to click that one and then click OK. And then close. Then after that, you have to click the license key that we have just created earlier. And then select all. Then right click and copy. Then after that, we will have to go back to the resetter folder. The Epson L3110 and then click. Then after that, all you have to do is right click and paste. So we will just have to wait. And then after that, you can see here, replace the file in the destination. So you have to click that one and then close. So after that, all you have to do is, and then we will have to click the ADJProgXE application and click OK. And then finally, we have this Epson adjustment program that we can use to reset our printer. And this is the end of my tutorial since I don't have an Epson L3110 printer. And please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye!